Discussing family history with a healthcare provider is a cornerstone of personalized medicine and preventive healthcare. The importance of this conversation cannot be overstated, as it forms the foundation for understanding an individual's inherited risk factors, enables early detection and prevention of diseases, and guides tailored medical management. Family history serves as a window into one's genetic makeup, environmental exposures, and shared lifestyle habits, all of which can significantly influence health outcomes. Engaging in an open and thorough dialogue about family health history empowers both patients and providers to make informed decisions, ultimately improving health trajectories across generations. At its core, family history is a record of diseases and health conditions present among close relatives, including parents, siblings, grandparents, aunts, uncles, and sometimes even more distant relatives. Many common diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and mental health disorders, have hereditary components. While genes are not the sole determinants of disease, they play a significant role in predisposing individuals to certain conditions. For example, a person whose parent or sibling has type 2 diabetes faces a higher risk of developing the condition themselves. Similarly, a family history of breast or colon cancer may indicate the presence of inherited mutations, such as BRCA or Lynch syndrome, which dramatically increase the likelihood of these cancers. By sharing this information with a healthcare provider, individuals enable a more accurate assessment of their own risk. The process of gathering and discussing family history is not just about listing illnesses, it is about identifying patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. Many genetic conditions manifest differently from person to person, and symptoms can be subtle or atypical. Healthcare providers are trained to look for red flags, such as multiple family members affected by the same or related conditions, early onset of disease, or rare disorders that could suggest an underlying hereditary syndrome. These insights are invaluable, as early identification of at-risk individuals allows for proactive interventions. For instance, someone with a strong family history of cardiovascular disease might benefit from earlier and more frequent cholesterol screening, aggressive management of blood pressure, or lifestyle modifications to mitigate risk. Moreover, discussing family history helps healthcare providers offer more precise recommendations for screening and prevention. Standard guidelines for various screenings, such as mammograms or colonoscopies, are based on population averages. However, for individuals with significant family histories, these recommendations often need to be adjusted. A woman whose mother and sister were diagnosed with breast cancer before age 50 might be advised to begin mammography, and possibly MRI screening, much earlier than the general population. Similarly, someone with a family history of colon cancer might require colonoscopy at a younger age and at more frequent intervals. Without knowledge of family history, these opportunities for early detection and intervention could be missed, potentially leading to delayed diagnosis and worse outcomes. Family history also informs decisions about genetic testing and counseling. Not everyone needs genetic testing, but for those with suggestive family histories, it can provide critical information. Genetic counselors use detailed family histories to assess the likelihood of inherited syndromes and to determine which tests, if any, are appropriate. A positive genetic test result can have profound implications, not only for the individual, but also for their relatives, who may share similar risks. Armed with this knowledge, families can make empowered choices about surveillance, risk-reducing strategies, and family planning. For example, individuals found to carry BRCA mutations may opt for enhanced cancer screening, preventive surgeries, or lifestyle changes to lower their risk. This cascade effect highlights how discussing family history can benefit entire families, not just the individual patient. Beyond genetics, Family history encompasses shared environmental and behavioral factors that contribute to health. Families often live together, eat similar diets, engage in similar physical activities, and are exposed to common environmental risks. These shared experiences can compound or mitigate genetic predispositions. For instance, a family with a tradition of high-fat, low-fiber diets may see high rates of obesity and related conditions, regardless of genetic risk. Conversely, families that prioritize healthy eating and regular exercise may counteract some inherited vulnerabilities. When healthcare providers understand these dynamics, they can offer practical, culturally sensitive advice tailored to the patient's unique circumstances. This holistic approach recognizes that health is shaped by a complex interplay of nature and nurture. Discussing family history also fosters a sense of partnership between patients and providers. It encourages patients to take an active role in their health, prompting them to learn about their relatives' medical histories and to reflect on their own risk factors. This engagement can be empowering, transforming healthcare from a reactive process to a proactive one. Patients who are aware of their risks are more likely to adhere to recommended screenings, adopt healthier lifestyles, and seek timely medical attention when symptoms arise. In turn, providers can offer more nuanced care, grounded in a deep understanding of the patient's background. Importantly, family history discussions can uncover risks for rare inherited disorders that might otherwise be overlooked. Conditions such as Marfan syndrome, cystic fibrosis, Huntington's disease, and familial hypercholesterolemia are uncommon in the general population but can have devastating consequences if undiagnosed. Early recognition through family history enables timely intervention, which can dramatically improve quality of life and survival. For example, individuals with familial hypercholesterolemia, a genetic disorder causing extremely high cholesterol, can develop heart disease at a young age. If identified early through family history, affected individuals can receive targeted treatments and lifestyle advice, potentially preventing premature heart attacks and strokes. In addition to informing clinical care, family history is increasingly important in the era of precision medicine. Advances in genomics and molecular diagnostics have made it possible to tailor therapies to an individual's genetic profile. However, interpreting genetic data requires context, and family history provides that context. A genetic variant may be classified as benign, uncertain, or pathogenic depending on whether it tracks with disease in a family. Thus, family history enhances the utility of genetic testing, helping providers distinguish between meaningful findings and incidental results. The benefits of discussing family history extend beyond physical health. Mental health conditions, such as depression, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, and substance use disorders, also have hereditary components. Knowing about family patterns of mental illness can prompt early screening, facilitate access to support services, and reduce stigma. It can also help individuals recognize warning signs in themselves or loved ones, leading to earlier intervention and better outcomes. Despite its importance, family history is often underutilized in clinical practice. Many people are unaware of their relatives' health histories, or may feel uncomfortable discussing certain topics. Cultural, social, and emotional factors can also influence how much information is shared. Healthcare providers play a crucial role in creating a safe, respectful environment where patients feel comfortable sharing sensitive information. They can guide patients on how to gather family history, suggest which relatives to ask, and help interpret complex or ambiguous information. Even when family history is incomplete, any information provided can be valuable in shaping care. One challenge in collecting family history is the increasing complexity of modern families. Blended families, adoption, and assisted reproductive technologies can complicate the picture. However, providers are trained to navigate these complexities and focus on biologically relevant relationships. In cases of adoption or unknown parentage, providers may place greater emphasis on personal health history and environmental factors, while remaining vigilant for signs of inherited conditions. Regularly updating family history is also important, as new diagnoses can emerge over time. What may seem like a negative family history at one point can change years later if a relative is diagnosed with a significant condition. Periodic review and revision of family history ensure that risk assessments remain accurate and current. This dynamic process underscores the ongoing partnership between patients and providers in managing health. Technology is making it easier than ever to collect and share family health history. Electronic health records, patient portals, and online tools allow patients to input and update their family history conveniently. Some platforms even generate risk assessments or reminders for appropriate screenings based on the information provided. These innovations enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of family history discussions, ensuring that critical information is readily accessible when needed. From a public health perspective, widespread collection and analysis of family history data can inform population-level strategies for disease prevention and health promotion. Patterns identified in families may reflect broader trends in communities, highlighting areas where targeted interventions are needed. For example, high rates of certain cancers or metabolic diseases in specific populations may prompt community-based screening programs or educational campaigns. In this way, individual family histories contribute to the collective understanding of health and disease. There are also ethical considerations in discussing family history. Information shared by one family member can have implications for others, raising questions about privacy, consent, and disclosure. Healthcare providers are bound by confidentiality and must navigate these issues sensitively, balancing the patient's right to privacy with the potential benefits of sharing information with at-risk relatives. Genetic counselors and ethics committees can provide guidance in complex cases, ensuring that ethical principles are upheld. For individuals, the process of gathering family history can be an opportunity to connect with relatives, learn about family traditions, and gain insight into familial strengths and challenges. It can foster a sense of continuity and identity, linking past, present, and future generations. In times of illness, knowing that others have faced similar challenges can provide comfort and inspiration. Conversely, awareness of preventable diseases can motivate individuals to adopt healthier behaviors, breaking cycles of illness and promoting resilience. In summary, discussing family history with a healthcare provider is a vital aspect of comprehensive medical care. It enables personalized risk assessment, informs targeted screening and prevention, guides genetic testing, and enhances the interpretation of genetic data. It sheds light on shared environmental and behavioral factors, facilitates early detection of rare disorders, and supports mental health care. Despite challenges in collection and interpretation, family history remains an indispensable tool in the hands of skilled clinicians. As medicine continues to evolve toward greater personalization and precision, the value of family history will only grow. Ultimately, engaging in conversations about family health history is an act of empowerment. It equips individuals and families with the knowledge needed to make informed decisions, advocate for their health, and build healthier futures. By working together, patients and providers can harness the power of family history to prevent disease, promote wellness, and transform lives, one family at a time.